Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing the Broadway Limited Paragon Series 2 AC6000 BNSF number 6441 sound and DCC and DC power. So let's get into open. So let me open it. We have the train itself, this plastic cover. So now we have the train itself. It has interior detail, as you can see, the driver on each side. The driver there too. These little flasher lights right here both work. They're the call number have lights too, and then just the normal train lights also work. On the back we have some more lights, and but we have a metal weight in the bottom. But yeah, nice handrails, flexible so that you don't break them, which is nice. But now I think we can get to driving, running it, and looking at it on the track. So here we have it on the track and all powered up. I just have the sound off for right now. This is a very loud locomotive, but as you can see right here, there's something wrong with this train where it just randomly starts going. It might just be a me problem, but as you can see, the lights are lit up, and if you go at a certain speed, they sometimes flash, but see, lots of detail. Stop. But lots of detail. I think we look in here, like that's very impressive. And like back here, yeah, not much lights up back here because it's not in reverse right now. Now if we have the sound on, get ready. I'm gonna have to talk a little bit louder, but as you can see, it's very loud. So yes, that's one of the problems. And this is the horn. That's the bow. A very loud horn. You can turn it off. This isn't remodeling, so nothing catastrophic can actually happen to real locomotives, which is nice. Okay. Here we go. Oh, we installed the system on here where if this bridge is out, trains won't fall off, which is always a good thing. There we go. Okay. Now I'm just gonna stop talking so I can put it on the okay, so
Wait, so
if you...
Second. So if you look,
the lights are actually flashing.
which is a cool little feature, right? It's wrong. Okay, so it went from 30 down to 40, if you can see that. So see, we've been down to 20.
It's like 14 not me doing it. But other than that, it's fine. But we're gonna try to get this fixed, and we're also gonna try to get that quieter. But it's very loud, and oh, that's not good. But that's it for my review of this train. They are a little bit expensive, but I would recommend it. It's very good. It's heavy, which makes it good for hauling big amounts of cars.
see, it's kind of hard for me to haul
Lots of cars with this layout, but yeah. And if any of you want to see me film videos for the layout, just, I don't know, comment or like or something. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later or next time. Yeah. Bye.